Have you decided to join Arthashastra Gurukul?
वैदिक वे में कुछ इन्वेस्टिंग हो सकता है. आई वॉज ऑलवेज एक्सप्लोरिंग. तो उस चक्कर में मैंने पहले सर का कोर्स किया 2024 में. देन आई got to know that he is also organizing a boot camp. So I joined that session.
You had the most problems in trading and investing before doing this course.
Trading कर रहा था लेकिन I was not sure when it was. I felt I was doing something like a fluke. कभी ठीक होता था, कभी गलत होता था. Success rate was not defined. कभी हुआ तो profit हो जाता था, कभी loss हो जाता था. तो I was not able to organize it or make it standardized as a process.
How was day one of boot camp in Gurukul?
It was very cold. Okay, the first feeling was it was very, very cold. But the session that was organized in this boot camp, that was really good. The classroom that was organized was really good. The topics that were brought in, we got to know what all will be covered in the next 5 days. So it was good. The first day was really good. And we started off with a yagya. So it was like a proper Vedic way of starting it. Because we kind of took some sankalp as well, ensuring that we will follow this methodology till we continue to do the investing and all of that, which is kind of good. I mean, following a Hindu tradition of doing something, sankalpa and all that is really good.
What learning in the session changed your perspective?
See, I had already gone through Guruji's sessions in the past. It was something that is not very new for me. But then there are some nuances about transitions, conjunctions that is happening with respect to planets, and very specifically I was looking for some guidance on commodities because that is something that I never used to do. That was new, that was added. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आप जब एक बूट कैंप में आते हो, डिस्कशंस होता है, कोई भी टीम में से कोई अगर कोई टॉपिक छेड़ता है तो उस टॉपिक के ऊपर there is lot of in-depth analysis that goes into it. That actually helps. And उस process में you get to learn lot of new things and probably a new sector as well.
How did you like the teaching style here?
It was good. I mean, it was quite interactive. You can end the session that prolonged beyond the sessions in the class. जैसे some of my colleagues would have told you that there was bonfire, there was dinner sessions, there were morning, there was a warm-up sessions. All those sessions, and there is some sessions which were like breaks. Those breaks also were kind of very fruitful. आप कोई भी टॉपिक के ऊपर कुछ भी डिस्कशन कर सकते हो.
You feel like you're getting a different perspective on the market.
I hope so. Yes. I mean, some of the things were actually new. I think I'll be able to utilize them.
What movements from boot camp did you like or impact you the most?
So पर्सनल में ऐसा है कि माइंडसेट एक चेंज हुआ है. डेफिनेटली माइंडसेट has made us much more calm, and it has also given me idea about how to keep my emotions in control in certain situations. Focus more on logic and maths, and whatever has been taught rather than doing some erratic decisions in the market. And of course also it has taught me some amount of मतलब एक स्थिरता आएगा.
Would you recommend the boot camp to others?
Of course I'll recommend to all those people, all my friends who are actually investing in market and are interested to go to this boot camp. I'll definitely recommend them.
If someone is thinking of joining the boot camp, what message would you like to give them?
इसी मैसेज ये देना चाहूँगा कि आप कुछ चीज़ें थोड़ा समझ के आइए. ठीक है, इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ें हैं कि देयर आर सम प्रीरिक्विजिट्स जो कैंप ज्वाइन करने से पहले हो, सो दैट पीपल कम टू द कैंप विथ सम नॉलेज बिफोर हैंड. तो क्या होगा कि आपका जो 5 दिन का सेशन होगा बूट कैंप, इफ इट इज अ 5 days boot camp, then it can be effectively organized. And of course come to the boot camp with some questions, जो कि मेरे केस में मैंने इतना नहीं किया था. मुझे लगा कि मतलब I could have prepared myself better, कि I should come to the session with more questions, more pinpointed questions rather than open-ended stuff.
What would you like to say in one line about Arthashastra Gurukul?
My life-changing institute, I would say.
प्यास